Hello friends, today's video is going to be get you familiarized with your newly created wallets. So one of the issues that we're going to kind of go over today are recovering your seed phrase if for some reason you did not write it down and you realize how important it is to have it, setting up some kind of a password or a PIN code. Most wallets that we're going to be interacting with will work very similar to the Trust Wallet that we're going to be working with today. So we're going to be using the Trust Wallet application for this process. You're also going to go over and cover the importing of a token that is on a list already, and also adding a token that is not on the list. So a new token that has recently come out that is not on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So it is not on the list of tokens that the app is reflecting. So we'll be able to show you how to add those tokens when they are not in the list, also how to disable a token and how to delete a token. So let's go ahead and get started with that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our wallet. This is the Trust Wallet, and we're going to go ahead and go to the security option here in the bottom. We are going to select security here. That's going to take us into this here. We're going to enable the passcode. By enabling the passcode or toggling that, it's going to ask us for a passcode. So you're going to enter a passcode that'll get you into your wallet. Once you've entered and confirmed that, it's going to take you into this screen here. Trust does have the option for transaction signing, so we're going to go ahead and click that to enable that. That'll make it that whenever you do a transaction, it'll ask you for your password. You can also set up passcode biometrics or just the passcode. Biometrics would be your thumbprint or your face ID, something like that. I like to use passcode. That way I have to enter that in. Next thing we're going to do is select the wallet. This is also in settings. So you go to settings. At first we went to security. Now we're going to go to wallet. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this option here. You're going to select the three dots. These three dots will open up this page here. In Trust Wallet, it allows you to rename your wallet, and it also allows you to show you the recovery seed phrase. Most wallets have options like this. Like I said, Trust has its process, but most of them process the same basic way. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to give us these pages here, which give us a little bit of a warning, giving us some information. What you would do is click I understand the risk, and then you would click on continue. Once you've done that, it shows you your seed phrase. So this is that seed phrase that you don't want to lose. Very important to keep that, keep it hidden, keep it somewhere safe, because this is how you get into your wallet. And without this, if you lose it and for some reason you lose access to your wallet, you will not be able to recover without this seed phrase. So it's very important. We're going to hit that back button, and it's going to take us back into the main page. And as you can see, we are now in the wallet here. Click here in the wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to import tokens. Again, this is Trust Wallet. Other apps have different ways of doing it, but it's all the same basic concept. We're going to click these two dots here, and it's going to take us into the tokens that are currently on the list. You're going to click right here to select token, and you're going to type in the token you're looking for. In this case, we're going to look for Saitama. As you can see here, we typed in Saitama, and Saitama is here on the list. We're going to toggle that little button there to turn on Saitama. Now that it's on, we hit the back arrow, and there you can see now Saitama is in the list of tokens. It wasn't there before. Now, in order for us to add a token that is not on the list, same thing, you click the two little buttons, and again, we're going to type in the name of the token. We're going to type in Impact XP this time. As you can see, Impact XP, it is not in the list, but we still want to get that token in here because we want to be able to buy and sell and use it. So you click on Add Custom Token. Once we clicked on that, it's going to take us to this page, and it's going to tell us to import or paste the contact address. Impact XP is an Ethereum blockchain token, so we're selecting the Ethereum network, and then we're going to want to paste the contract address. Well, how do we get that contract address? We're going to need to go to the website. In this case, we're going to go to impactxp.io. That is the website for ImpactXP. You can also go to an exchange where it's loaded, or a DEX that the actual token has been loaded into. So you can see that we're on CoinGecko, CoinGecko has it as well. And we're going to go to Dex Tools. Dex Tools has Impact XP as well. So what we're going to do now is on the website, we're going to go to the token address that they have listed, which is here, and we're going to copy it. You can also go to CoinGecko and you can see the token address is right here, or we can go to Dex Tools and you can see the address is here. You would copy that address and you would go back and paste it into the wallet that you're using. Once you've pasted it, you can see in most cases it'll automatically generate the parameters that are needed for that token, the name, the symbol, and the decimal. Once that has been imported into your application, you will see here that it gives you a message letting you know that anybody can create a token. Being that we know what we're importing, we know it's Impact XP, we verify that it's the right address, we will hit done. Once we hit done, it'll give us a message letting us know that it's been imported. Shows you the price of the token, shows that the token has been imported. We're going to hit the back button here, and you can see now Impact XP is in our list. So this is how you would add a token to your list that is not in the actual list of tokens and you actually want to physically add it yourself. Now, you're going to sometimes see tokens that you don't want in your list that have a zero balance, or you don't want to interact with them, or you've potentially been dusted. In this case, you're going to want to disable or delete. A token that is in a list, what you can do is disable it. So you would slide this, for example, Smart Chain to the left, and it'll say disable. We'll click disable, and now you can see that it's no longer in the list. If you've added a token that was not on the list, like Impact XP wasn't, we would slide that to the left and it says the option to delete. You click the delete button, and as you can see, Impact XP is now gone. So this is how you would disable or delete a token that's in your list. So these are just a couple things that I wanted to cover with you. Wanted to keep this short and sweet. If you have any questions or have any comments, please go ahead and leave them below. Also, if you can like, if you can subscribe, and you can click on the notifications button so that you can receive notifications when new videos are uploaded, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.